everybody. What have you been doing recently? Working? Studying? Traveling? Okay, I think that you really need some relaxations on my video. Let's start right now. As you can see, red lines have increased over time, while blue lines. Sorry guys, I swear I turned it off. Sorry about this. Anyway, we can expect that over time. Sorry about that. What's going on? Who keeps calling you? It's just my ex. It's probably nothing, but let me just send her a quick text picture. Well, if there are no more interruptions. Okay, I think that might be an emergency. Let me just take this very quickly. Hello?
Hello, it's me.
Yeah, I know what's going on. You must have called 1,000 times.
I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to meet.
What? Seriously? I thought you were dying or something. You called so much.
You never seem to be home.
Yeah, cause I don't like picking up the phone, okay? Most people our age just text.
There's such a difference between.
Yeah, I guess so, okay? Look, if you need to reach me again, just text me or email or hell, even Facebook message. I still haven't downloaded the separate app for it. I see it when I log into Facebook, okay? Hello? I lost connection. You know, that's fine because I did actually work hard on this presentation. Don't understand why she didn't send me an email at 3 AM like normal. Yeah, I can remember last time I actually called someone. Right? And that's definitely not an ex. Oh, they don't talk to me. Yeah, that's not a call-in relationship. Call the doctor. You can call the doctor? Text the doctor. I'd love to be able to text the doctor. Shit. Sorry guys. Hello?
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, just gonna talk right now, okay? I don't know what time it is there, but it's the middle of the workday here.
I'm in California dreaming.
You're in California? What? Since when? I thought you were in England or something.
It's so typical of me to talk about myself, I'm sorry.
Oh no, we're talking about this because you're here. You didn't come here just to check in on me, did you? Hello? I lost the connection again. It sounds like it's calling from some outdated phone or something. What?
Hello, can you hear me?
Really? Sounds like you're calling from a middle of a windstorm or something.
Hello from the outside.
Go inside. Hello? Okay, look. I'm hanging up now. I'm gonna hang up. I'm hanging up because I can't hear you, okay? I'm hanging up. Alright, go ahead. If the call keeps affecting your life, you should cut it out completely. I know your weird relationship with her. No. Our face is gonna write a song about me. That is the end of my video. What do you feel? I hope you like this. If you really like this, remember to vote for me on the link below. Anyway, I really want to send my thanks to you, all of you. Many thanks to CollegeHumour for the great idea of the video. Many thanks to iGo10 for celebrating such an interesting event. Many thanks to my sister for helping me to make this video. Many thanks to you, the viewers who are watching me. Once more, you very much. Bye.